Say hello.
Hey, how y'all doing? Dexter doitall. Out here doing a little greasing today.
Put that up, please.
You can see as I'm greasing today, I get pretty oily, nasty. But that was the last one. You made it too late. You really made it too late.
Yeah,
So,
can you see yourself?
yeah, I can't see myself. There I go, right there. Yeah. It ain't right there, but yeah, you gotta come down with it. But let's go to this side right here. I gotta start letting these things down.
All right, we go over there. Y'all, I got him on a tripod on the ground today, y'all.
Let me get these tools up. Man, I told me some water. Bring me a gallon for real.
A gallon of water. Man.
Pop was up there, what?
Yeah.
Where that grease at?
You can go over there with them, man.
You said you going on this side over here, Dexter? Ooh, Lord. Oh, you had to come down here on the four-wheeler today? Huh?
I'm at home. I ain't got a job to cook on.
Yeah. That's a good thing, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
Being at home, getting off that road, y'all.
Yeah. It's pretty hot today. What it is, like 90?
Nah, 200.
200, boy. Won't nobody be on earth.
200.
The house wouldn't make it at 200.
Dexter, do it all. Tell us a little bit. When you coming out with some more videos, more?
Man,
what?
you been doing a good job, lady. You been doing a good job. You been putting them out there. When I wasn't able, you been able.
But why you ain't been able?
Is the camera close enough to get my voice?
Yeah.
Come on a little closer, because you got to get all this. Come on, get all this. Let the camera get some grease.
Oh, shut up, boy.
Let the camera get grease.
Oh, you need to see him when you oiling it up.
Yeah, let me see how it come out of it.
Wait, let me see.
See what? See when you get so much grease in it? I like that. Hold it on there. Come on a little closer. Come on.
Wait. Where's it gonna come
See,
out
look,
at?
Look, come right here. See, it's gonna come around the ring right there. See?
Look, can you see through there? Look.
You way up there.
Where
Come down
that?
some. Right there. Right there. See though? It's gonna fill up. You ain't got it right. You ain't got it right.
Oh, that's the green grease that coming out.
Right,
Okay.
David. Put them on there.
I ain't.
Yeah, it's all getting greased up.
So tell them why you ain't been doing so many videos
Been hot. Been hot.
and cutting corn, trying to work.
Corn, been hauling, been doing all kind of stuff. Like right now, if I ain't had time to put the camera on me or nothing like that because I'm out here doing this again. Luckily, you showed up. So now I got a little help.
Yeah. Thank God I ended up with another camera. Y'all excuse us if it blurred the last time a little bit with Tay.
You getting it?
Yep.
You getting the good stuff?
Yeah. I thought you had all them down there, so you ain't got but how many more to go that way?
I'm done on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
I grease these up top now.
So how often do you grease those?
Every 50 hours.
Oh, okay.
Come this way now. Come on this way.
Y'all watch the corn stalks.
Hey, matter of fact, ask them can they help me get a grease gun, an automatic one.
Oh, tell him, ask him. Y'all, he want an automatic grease gun. Hey, tell him you got a P.O. box.
Yep, P.O. box. It will be located in the description.
Yep.
Let me put this grease gun up. I gotta put the grease gun up. I gotta start letting them down. Clean the windshield. And then we gonna get started.
So, you gonna clean that windshield? I told him he needs to start asking y'all for stuff. Maybe somebody out there know a little bit about it. An automatic grease gun. Huh? Well, where can you find an automatic grease gun at? How much are they? So anybody else got to use one? We take that.
Hey, I take a used grease gun, cause look, Look at all this grease I gotta get off.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's real nasty.
Is it any kind of grease gun? What's the name of the grease gun?
It don't matter as long as it's automatic. I don't want to have to pump with my hand. Alright. Come on, we gotta go back over here, guys. Alright, so what we gotta do now, we done grease the top, we done grease the bottom. Now we gotta start working our way down. Uh-oh.
What you did wrong?
I gotta take these off.
Oh, you gotta take the pins off because the pins are holding in there?
Yeah.
That other one got a pin on it. Woo! Somebody asked a question.
What is?
How do you see the grass that's in the road? Sometimes the airplane miss it, right?
Yeah, airplane miss it, and you know, like say for instance, when you do spread, you supposed to spread earlier, but we didn't spread earlier. We posted, but still though, at the same time, you can't keep all grass out.
Yeah.
You can't keep all grass out.
So you probably be through with corn today or tomorrow.
Most likely, maybe hope the Lord say the same. Whatever's in God's hand, let it be done. You hear me?
Do y'all hear? So what do you like about farming most of?
Long ball. I don't like about big ball. But sometimes I don't be on time. Yeah, sometimes I don't be on time.
Shoot! Got to pick it back up, huh? You done lost a lot of weight too, you know today? You?
Why you say that?
Because I seen you the other day, I said, I done lost some weight. That sun it really made it work, lose that weight.
Told you I need to eat.
Huh?
Told you I need to eat. They said I gained 5 pounds.
I don't know. You like how, huh?
Yep. Look at this thing.
You want me to let it down? You need me to let it down? My feet on fire out here. And it ain't the ants. Some more corn right there, y'all. Let me see, can I zoom in a little bit more? Y'all, I remember Dexter doitall be standing at the end of the road trying to get on a combine or a tractor. Drop that down, then you wouldn't have all that weight on there.
You gonna put the grease guns up?
Yep.
So, Dexter doitall, why you didn't drop that down at first? Now that's easier that way, ain't it? Okay, all right. This make hard work right here, y'all, in the summertime. That heat be whooping you, and then the combine be whooping you at the same time. You don't know what the heck is going on with you. This heat in the south ain't nothing to play with, is it, Dexter doitall? This heat ain't no joke.
Okay. Nothing under 30.
Cold water, huh? Y'all, send Dexter doitall some water. Can y'all drop it out the sky? There, D. D, go over there and say hello to everybody. Once again, let me see. Who boot you got on today? D, they seen you? Them your boots or you got on your mama boot? Y'all, look at Dexter doitall sitting in the tractor. He hollering, woo. Huh? Nuh-uh. What you gonna do? Y'all gonna have to probably stay for part 2. Because he got the GoPro and he gonna get some good angle with his camera. I'm gonna upload this one today. So when you give me yours tomorrow, I'm gonna upload that. They can say that. I can say that. So they're gonna see this, y'all. It's gonna be 2 parts to this. Because I know y'all wanna see them cut.
Get my truck,